Before joining the class, I have attempted one exam, IBPS clerk. At that time, the clerk cutoff was 71, and before joining, I have secured something 61 marks. So just 10 marks का gap it was, and I was very confident. बिना join के class, I have cleared only 10 marks का gap. I will join the class. Yes, I will clear in my first attempt, but it was nothing like that. अगर आप ऐसा सोच रहे हो कि अगर आप इस फील्ड में आ रहे हो और 6 month में आपका हो जाएगा and you will get a job in your hand being an officer, that's not possible until and unless you are an Albert Einstein. I used to practice like 100 and 150 questions daily ताकि मेरा वो fear हटे. If you have started it, you can do it. If there is a will, there is always a way.
Jai Hind everyone. Welcome back to another new episode of Decoding Success with Saima. आज मैं एक ऐसे एनर्जेटिक पर्सन से आपका इंट्रोडक्शन करवाने वाली हूँ जो कि ना ही सिर्फ अपनी एनर्जी के लिए फेमस है लेकिन एक पॉजिटिव ऑरा है इनके आसपास. ये एनर्जी मैं इसलिए बोलती हूँ बिकॉज IIKD में तो डेफिनेटली एक एनर्जी रहे हैं बिकॉज इनको हमने हर चीज़ में आगे देखा है. सब्जेक्ट वाइज स्टडी वाइज इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है लेकिन बाकी एक्टिविटीज़ देखो आप IIKD के चैनल पे इतने सारे एक्टिविटीज़ हैं उसके वीडियोस हैं और हर एक्टिविटी में ये पर्सन आपको हमेशा आगे आगे दिखाई देंगे. सो शी कैन बी सेड एज ऑलराउंडर एंड इंट्रोड्यूसिंग Paridhi Singh cleared IDBI JAM, that is Junior Assistant Manager. So congratulations Paridhi and welcome to the series. So कैसा है ये फीलिंग जो आपने अभी अचीव किया है IDBI JAM?
बहुत अच्छा है मैम. आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग प्रिपरेशन टाइम ऑफ 2 years फाइनली क्लियरिंग मेंस, इट फील रियली गुड.
नाइस नाइस. एंड परिधि मैंने तो आपका इंट्रोडक्शन दिया जितना मैं जानती थी उतना. सो लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम परिधि. परिधि एक छोटा सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन.
Hello everyone, my name is Paridhi Singh. I have been started preparing for government and competitive exams from the year 2022 and I have joined IIKD and IIKD have been a great help for me during my preparation journey.
Wow. और यही परिधि का एक प्रोएक्टिव नेचर हमने देखा है. शी इज़ ऑलवेज रेडी फॉर एनीथिंग जो भी इनकी लाइफ में होता है उसके लिए. सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम योर स्कूल जर्नी, स्कूल कौन सा था परिधि आपका?
लिटिल फेरी इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल, विरार ईस्ट.
लिटिल फेरी, ओके. ये चीज़ गौर कर सकते हैं हम, परिधि बिलोंग करते हैं विरार से, है ना?
Actually ma'am, I have been born and brought up in Mumbai. In my early primary section till 6th standard I was staying in Dadar, so I was in Sharda Ashram Vidya Mandir, and from 7th standard we have shifted in Virar because my father bought a house over here. So from 7th standard till my 10th I have been studying in Little Fair English High School.
Wow. And then your junior college was?
My junior college was Sanskar Dham Junior College in Goregaon.
संस्कार धाम जूनियर कॉलेज.
Yes.
साइंस के लिए था वो?
Science, yes ma'am. I have done my graduation in science. 11th and 12th I have all the 4 subjects PCMB and I have done my graduation in microbiology from Abhinav Degree College, Bhayandar.
अभिनव डिग्री कॉलेज. ओह नाइस. एंड आपका ये जो एकेडमिक्स था इसमें कोई ऐसा एकेडमी या कोई क्लासेस जिसकी आपने मेजर हेल्प ली हो?
In my graduation phase, I have done all my self-study, but for my 11th and 12th, in my early 12th, I was preparing for NEET. So 11th and 12th, I have joined Right Academy, which is also in Virar only, and I was preparing for NEET, and I have attempted for NEET in the year 2018. I have qualified the exam but I have not scored that good score to get admission in Mumbai. I was getting an admission in Kolkata, so my father didn't permitted me to go over there. So then I choose BSc microbiology.
Nice. So was it a heartbreaking moment for you because you wanted to go for doctorate?
Yeah.
But then you chose
Not as such a heartbreaking moment because that was not like I have to do this and I was very passionate about it, and choosing science was also not something like that. I was really passionate. It was like my father told me to choose and I was the elder sister in the family, so I was not having much knowledge what to take and what to not, so my father told me to take science, so I just took science, and NEET was also a byproduct of that only. Ki everyone told me that you can do NEET, and maths was something I don't used to like much, so engineering was not my cup of tea. So I took NEET and then I attempted, and when I didn't get that good score to do an MBA or something in Mumbai, because medical colleges are very rare in Mumbai. So then my mentors in Right Academy, that classes, they gave me an opportunity and they gave me the dimensions in various fields about BScs and all. So I got interested in microbiology, so I chose that as an option.
Nice, nice. And if I'm not wrong, Right Academy is just beside to IIKD Virar.
Yeah,
na?
yeah.
They have premises in Virar. That
Yes,
was the Right
yes,
Academy.
Right
Okay,
Academy.
nice, nice. All right. So, Paridhi, then what was your option when you chose microbiology?
In my first year, I was having botany, chemistry, and microbiology. Second year, botany was dropped. Just chemistry, 3 subjects, analytical, organic, and inorganic, and microbiology. And my third year, it was completely microbiology. The 4 subjects included in microbiology. And then in my graduation final year was in COVID period, so I didn't get the main practical knowledge that I should have gained in my microbiology. So I didn't pursue masters in that.
Okay, okay. And then how did you choose banking or government job as your career?
Okay, so microbiology was something that I was gaining interest in it, because there was many different and new things I was getting to know, and there was many things which was attracting in that subject, to be very frank. But as I have said that my SEM 5 and SEM 6 was in COVID period, we didn't get much practical knowledge. So after when I completed my graduation, my father told me that not to do my masters, because masters was also in online mode only. So I was not able to get any practical knowledge. So I took a break of 3 to 4 months. And then one of my friends was preparing for this competitive exams, and then I gained knowledge about this field. So as I was doing nothing at that time, I was taking a break of 1 year to do my masters. I gained knowledge about this field, and as I know that masters would also take 2 years for me to complete my masters. So I thought that if I give my 2 fruitful years in this field, I can get a better career in this field also. And I attended a seminar and in that seminar I gained knowledge about competitive bank exams and the various exams which I can clear and I can get a good job. So I got knowledge about IIKD. I took a counseling session over here. It was very helpful, and then I immediately decided that this is something I want to do, and I cannot wait 1 more year and then 2 more years to complete my masters and then go into some microbiology lab or some teaching institute only and start from the base. So I gained interest in this field, and I decided that this is something I want to do, and I'll give my best in this field and I can do it.
Nice. So where was the seminar arranged? कहाँ पे आपने ये attend किया?
Actually, the seminar was I took the seminar online only. I took the physical session of counseling in the IIKD Vasai branch.
Okay, okay. But the online seminar ये किसने arrange किया था? आपके classes वालों ने, school वालों ने या कैसे?
I don't remember actually. It was a Zoom meeting, something like that only. There I
There
again
were
not
multiple
yeah.
people?
Yeah, there were many people over there, and then I get to know about this competitive exams basically. So I was searching for classes, which classes I should go, which is nearby, which will be helpful, less time consuming. So one of my sister's friends, she was coming to these classes only, so she suggested me to come here. That this is a nice class. They give physical training, good environment to study, library and all. So
Who
I
was your
came.
counselor at that time?
Simran ma'am was my counselor, ma'am.
She counseled you.
Yes.
Okay. And जिनकी ये बात कर रहे हैं सिमरन मैम, वैसे अगर उनसे आपको मिलना है, सो मैं एड्रेस नहीं बताने वाली हूँ. एड्रेस वैसे IIKD का हर जगह मेंशन्ड है. What I meant to say is if you want to get in touch with her, so वो एक सर्टिफाइड करियर काउंसलर है. उनके बहुत सारे वीडियोस IIKD के चैनल पे पोस्टेड है. एजी क्रॉसरोड नाम से एक चैनल है IIKD का, एक पार्शियल चैनल है. उस पर भी बहुत सारे करियर रिलेटेड वीडियोस उन्होंने अपलोड किए. एंड शी इज़ अ सर्टिफाइड करियर काउंसलर. मेनली उनका फोटे गेमिंग, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, ग्राफिक, VFX, इन सारे करियर रिलेटेड वीडियोस उन्होंने बहुत डिटेल में बनाए हैं, स्पेशली फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट टू गेट इनटू क्रिएटिव फील्ड. सो ये था एक एजू क्रॉसरोड नाम का जो चैनल IIKD पे यूट्यूब पे है, उसके बारे में. एंड ऑफ कोर्स IIKD पे भी आप उनसे मिल सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं. ऑलराइट, कमिंग बैक टू परिधि सक्सेस. सो परिधि, आपने जब ज्वाइन किया, शुरू किया, वैसे सून आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन यू डिड नॉट ज्वाइन, है ना? यू गॉट
No.
ग्रेजुएटेड इन द ईयर 2021
Yes.
एंड देन यू जॉइंड हियर इन 2022.
Two.
सो वो 1 ईयर का जो टाइम था, उस वक्त आपने कहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट किया?
Ma'am, actually I got graduated in July 2021 and then there was a wedding in my hometown, so I went over there. Then I was little confused what to do and what to not, so I have applied in various 1-year courses for lab assistant, and I got placed in JJ College for 1 year DMLT course. So I was very confused what to do and what to not. Many of my friends took that course in JJ hospital, but I was little confused. So in December that year, I took the counseling over here, and that time went very quickly. I didn't get to know how that 6-month period went, and in December I took the counseling, and in Jan I joined.
नाइस. एंड देन सून आफ्टर जॉइनिंग, मतलब उस टाइम से लेके, जॉइनिंग से लेके, मे बी जैन से लेके until you cleared your first exam,
Yeah.
कितना टाइम था? The duration was
Before joining the class, I have attempted one exam, IBPS clerk. At that time, the clerk cutoff was 71, and before joining, I have secured something 61 marks.
Okay.
So just 10 marks का gap it was, and I was very confident. बिना join किए class, I have cleared only 10 marks का gap. I will join the class. Yes, I will clear in my first attempt, but it was nothing like that. After joining the class, it took me approximately 1 year to clear. I think the main reason was before joining the class, when I took my first attempt in IBPS clerk, I took as much as I could possible without thinking कि क्या wrong होगा, क्या right होगा. And after joining the class, I gained knowledge about negative markings and the accuracy matters. So my first attempt was very bad. I didn't secure good marks. And I was little hesitating attempting the questions. It was very, मतलब हाथ पूरे स्वेटिंग एंड ऑल हो गया था एग्ज़ाम के टाइम पे. जब ज्वाइन करने के बाद, प्रिपेयर करने के बाद जब मैं एग्ज़ाम देने गई थी, इट वॉज टोटली डिफरेंट जब मैं बिना प्रिपेयर किए एग्ज़ाम देने गई थी उससे. सो 1 ईयर लगा टू नो. और फर्स्ट ईयर में क्या हो रहा था ना कि मैं सबको ये रीज़न दे रही थी मेरा नहीं होने का कि अभी तो मेरा पोर्शन भी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, अभी तो मेरा पोर्शन भी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, कैसे होगा. एंड 1 ईयर हो गया तो किसी का हो गया तो आई गेट टू फील लाइक कि अरे मेरा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. देन आई एनालाइज्ड इट, एंड श्याम सर always told us to analyze yourself, don't compare yourself to other, you have to see where you are lacking, analyze yourself. You are giving an exam, so आपने कहाँ पे लैक किया, क्या मिस आउट हो गया, और यहाँ पे क्लास में और एग्ज़ाम के सिनेरियो में क्या डिफरेंस आ रहा है, आप लोग क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे हो. तो जब वो सब चीज़ों को बारीकी से देखा तो आई गेस इन माई सेकेंड अटैम्प्ट आई क्लियर्ड ऑल माई प्रीलिम्स.
Wow. In the second attempt you cleared all your prelims.
Yeah, 1 year का time
1 year का time था.
Yeah.
And it takes time ना कि
Yeah,
खुद
ma'am.
को
It
serious
takes
करने
times.
के लिए.
It take patience. It take consistency. अगर आप ऐसा सोच रहे हो कि अगर आप इस फील्ड में आ रहे हो और 6 मंथ में आपका हो जाएगा and you will get a job in your hand being an officer, that's not possible until and unless you are an Albert Einstein.
Perfect, nice. ऑल राइट. सो ये जो जर्नी आपकी रही है, इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा डिफिकल्टी आपको किस चीज़ में फेस करने को मिला?
I think that in subject wise it would be quants, because till my 10th standard I used to hate quants. 11th 12th में I took science and I took mathematics as a subject because everyone told me that आपके report card में mathematics अच्छा लगेगा, and after my 12th I dropped maths.
Okay.
So maths was मेरे एक circumference के बाहर, and again after my graduation when quants came, all that numbers they used to roam in my mind. मतलब बहुत difficult था मेरे लिए quants. Quants fear था, but धीरे धीरे वो fear कम हो गया because I used to teach students. I took home tuitions. So वो basic, वो क्या हुआ initial phase में I was facing that difficulty, वो थोड़े से arithmetic problems, but then I get to know कि वो सब जो होता है वो it is 10th level basic things, but you have to be consistent doing it regularly, तो आपको वो easy लगने लगता है. So quants was very difficult for me in the initial phase, but अभी वो ठीक है. And the second subject was GA for obvious reasons.
Okay. So how did you cope yourself in maths? कैसे आपको?
I used to practice like 100 and 150 questions daily, ताकि मेरा वो fear हटे. इनिशियल फेज में सबको क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस अच्छा लगता है, बट मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि 6-8 महीने तक मैंने क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के एक भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं किए थे. मुझे लगता था मैं आई वॉज वेरी कन्फ्यूज इन साइंस, मतलब कि प्लस कहाँ पे लूँ, माइनस कहाँ पे लूँ. मैं क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन अटेम्प्ट नहीं करती थी, उसके अच्छा मैं वो अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन के वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स अटेम्प्ट करती थी, बट क्वाड्रेटिक अटेम्प्ट नहीं करती थी. बट धीरे धीरे व्हेन यू गेट यूज टू दैट थिंग्स, यू प्रैक्टिस देम, यू नो, जो चीज़ आपको डर लगती है ना, आप उसको अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं करते हो. बट जब आप उसको प्रैक्टिस करोगे, यू विल गेट टू नो कि वो ईजी है. इट्स यू, आपका जो फियर है आपको वो करने नहीं दे रहा है. तो आई गेट यूज टू दैट थिंग्स और अब वो मुझे ईजी लगने लग गया है.
नाइस. एंड देन जीए से कैसे आपने कोप किया?
GA was something I started IIKD journey in 2022 only, and I guess in my initial phase I was the class monitor because I was a very bright student. I joined IIKD in January and Feb में I was nominated for Student of the Month.
Right.
तो फिर बहुत इनिशियल फेज़ में आई वॉज द क्लास मॉनिटर. तो क्लास मॉनिटर जब मैं बनी थी तो मेरे माइंड में हमेशा ऐसा चलता रहता है मैं दूसरे से कुछ अलग कैसे करूँ. तो आई स्टार्टेड दैट GA थिंग इन माई क्लास. तो मैं डेली GA लेना स्टार्ट किया था क्लास में, एंड आई यूज़ टू टेक डेली GA आफ्टर लेक्चर्स, एंड वीकली आई यूज़ टू टेक टेस्ट GA का. तो मैं सबको ऐसे बोलती थी कि GA आप लोग को पढ़ना चाहिए, पढ़ना चाहिए. तो आई डिड वेरी गुड इन माई मॉनिटर ड्यूरेशन. आई ऑल्सो गेट कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर दैट. और मेरा 1 मंथ कंप्लीट होने के बाद में हमारे जो इंग्लिश के मेंटर थे उन्होंने मुझे चॉकलेट भी दिया था. तो GA मुझे पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है, एंड एज आई एम अ टीचर तो मुझे लोगों को बोल बोल के मुझे ज़्यादा समझ में आता है. तो मैं लोगों को पढ़ा के भी पढ़ लेती हूँ. तो GA वॉज समथिंग कि आई कैन डू, बट वो कंसिस्टेंसी होना चाहिए GA में. इट्स लाइक कि हम लोग क्या करते हैं ना कि हमने प्री दिया, उसके बाद में किसी को कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है कि दे विल क्लियर देयर प्री, एंड वो स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. कोई तो ऐसे होते हैं कि प्री का रिजल्ट आ जाता है उसके बाद दे स्टार्ट. तो उस टाइम पे जाके वो 6 मंथ कवर करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. तो इनिशियल फेज से अगर वी विल स्टार्ट डूइंग GA, इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल.
So Paridhi, as we can see कि आपका जो कोर्स था IIKD में, that was certified course for PSU exams which include all the exams.
Yes,
so have you attempted for railways and SSCs also?
नॉट रेलवेज मैम, बिकॉज रेलवे की कोई वैकेंसी नहीं आई है 3 years से. SSC के अटेम्प्ट्स आई हैव गिवन MTS CGL एंड CHSL, बट दैट ऑल्सो फॉर अ वेरी ऑब्वियस रीज़न कि गर्ल्स के लिए उसको एग्ज़ाम फेज नहीं होता है. बिकॉज आई यूजुअली डोंट स्टडी फॉर स्पेसिफिकली SSC एज आई डू फॉर बैंकिंग, बिकॉज द पोर्शन, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि पोर्शन सेम है, बट द पोर्शन इज़ टोटली डिफरेंट. SSC में यू हैव टू डू एडवांस मैथ्स 3D एंड ऑल, एंड मैथ्स इज़ नॉट समथिंग आई लाइक वेरी मोस्ट कि मैं बैंकिंग के बाद भी और करूँ. एंड फिर SSC में इट कम्स द स्टैटिक GK पार्ट विच इज़ वेरी वास्ट. देर इज़ नो, मतलब कि कोई बाउंड्री ही नहीं है. आपको हिस्ट्री पढ़ना है, आपको बायोलॉजी पढ़ना है, आपको फिजिक्स भी पढ़ना है, आपको केमिस्ट्री भी पढ़ना है. उसके बाद भी यू डोंट हैव द श्योरिटी कि एक भी क्वेश्चन आएगा कि नहीं आएगा और कौन से पार्ट से आएगा. सेकेंडली रीजनिंग भी, इट्स लाइक कि बैंकिंग में कैसा होता है, वी सॉल्व अ पजल, वी हैव 5 क्वेश्चन इन आवर हैंड. बट SSC में यू विल सॉल्व अ पजल, यू विल सॉल्व अ सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट, यू हैव ओनली 1 क्वेश्चन और 2 mostly. So it's like it is nice, it give you a good rank and good reputation in society, good job, but when you are doing something you can't sail on 2 boats at the same time, right? So आपको specific होना पड़ेगा कि आपको banking करना है कि आपको CGL करना है. There are very rare cases जहाँ पे a student can do both the thing at the same time.
Right. बट ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स को आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगे जिनको श्योर होता है कि विद इन अ स्पैन ऑफ 8 months या विद इन 1 साल के अंदर उनका रेलवेज हो जाएगा या SSC हो जाएगा. सो दे आर गुड इन स्टडीज, दे आर स्कोरिंग गुड इन मैथ्स एंड रीजनिंग, बट फिर भी वो बैंकिंग अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं करते. सो आर दे डूइंग गुड थिंग या फिर
इफ़ समवन इज़ वेरी मतलब वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट कि उनका SSC हो जाएगा, इसके लिए दे आर नॉट अटेम्प्टिंग बैंक, दैट इज़ अ गुड थिंग. बिकॉज बैंकिंग में यू नीड अ वेरी गुड रीजनिंग, क्योंकि बैंकिंग के जो पजल्स होते हैं दे आर कंपैरेटिवली वे मोर डिफिकल्ट देन SSC के पजल्स एंड ऑल. बैंकिंग का मेंस रिक्वायर्ड वेरी फोकस माइंड. मतलब कि आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि SSC डजंट रिक्वायर्ड अ फोकस माइंड, बट द सिलेबस इज़ डिफरेंट मैम. तो अगर एक SSC एक्सपीरियंट है, अगर वो बैंकिंग भी करना चाहेगा, इट वुड बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर हिम टू फोकस ऑन देयर मेन सब्जेक्ट्स. तो अगर वो SSC के लिए बहुत श्योर है कि ही कैन डू एंड ही हैज़ टू डू दैट, तो उसको उस पर फोकस करना चाहिए.
Okay, nice. Okay, so Paridhi, what is the best piece of advice जो आपको मिला है, आपके प्रिपरेशन के टाइम पे?
आई थिंक दैट द बेस्ट पीस ऑफ एडवाइस विच आई हैव गॉट मेरे फादर से मिला है मुझे कि ही इज़ ऑलवेज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट इन मी फ्रॉम माई स्कूल जर्नी टिल माई कॉलेजेस एंड ही इज़ वेरी प्राउड ऑफ मी कि ही ऑलवेज से मेरा बेटा कर लेगा, मेरा बेटा कर लेगा. तो when in my preparation journey I took a break of 4 to 5 months when I switched to private sector because all the exams were over and I have not cleared, so I was little demotivated. I took a job in a private bank which I would not like to mention over here, but at that time when I was doing that job my father really motivated me कि तूने क्या करना स्टार्ट किया था and what you are doing now, तूने कुछ किया तो you have a goal, you can do it. सबका टाइम सेम नहीं होता है, everyone cannot do the same thing in the same time, everyone have their potential. If you have started it you can do it. If there is a will there is always a way. So find your way. You must have a different way of reaching that destination. You can do. So I quit that job and I started my journey over here.
Wow, nice. So that was the reason you joined again
Yeah.
at IIKD.
My family has always been very supportive and they've always pushed me कि I can do it, and that give you another kind of confidence कि yes you can do.
Yeah. So the course which Paridi has chosen, CCPE course, उसका duration मतलब that is for all exams. तो उसका basic duration 6 months होता है.
Yes,
And although 6 months के बाद भी you know आप 1 साल रुके आपने attend किया, but then आप जाके return आए. So while rejoining IIKD, what challenges did you face, or was it a smooth process?
I would say that IIKD is very supportive, and the reason behind it, it's Sham sir. I rejoined, I guess it was Sunday, and Sunday is very busy day in IIKD. Like everyone feel that Sunday is a chilling day, but IIKD Sunday is very busy day. They have back-to-back classes because weekend batch is running, basic maths is running, basic English is running. So I was sitting near student council and I was waiting for Sham sir to get free. Then I moved to his cabin and I was like, "Hi sir." Sir was like, "Hi Paridhi, तू वापस आ गई?" Then I was like, "Yes sir, I want to rejoin." तो sir was like कि क्या हुआ था? Then I explained him the whole scenario and he was like, कोई बात नहीं, join कर ले कल से. And I was in DSP batch earlier, so at that initial phase I was not able to join the DSP batch because obviously I have take a break of 4 months. There are some rules and regulation for the batch. So I was sitting in the library and the process was very smooth. Everyone was very cooperative and it helped me a lot. And after that, I have given an exam to join the batch again and I scored good and I joined the batch again.
Yeah, so the students who want to rejoin IIKD, they can rejoin it at any time because once IIKD and always IIKD in Sham sir ये कहते हैं, and also every student has this lifelong validity. But to get into DSP batch, definitely you need to score something so that आप DSP batch का competition जो है उसको you know झेल सकोगे. So earlier you were in which regular batch?
Earlier when I joined there was not specific names for the batch. I was in 2 to 4 batch,
2 to 4
afternoon
batch.
2. Yes.
Vasai में.
Vasai mein, yes.
Okay, and you attended counseling also at Vasai only?
Yes, ma'am.
Virar mein you did not?
No ma'am.
All right. Okay. So the best thing here at IIKD जो आपको लगती है the best thing?
Faculties, student council, students, everything is best, nothing to complain.
Nothing to complain or something to improve here at IIKD?
नहीं, IIKD keep improving itself.
Yeah, nice. Because कुछ ना कुछ suggestions मिलते रहते हैं या कुछ ना कुछ experiences ऐसे होते रहते हैं, you know, so चीजें अपने आप improve होती रहती है. All right, let's have some you know rapid fire questions with you, Paridhi.
Yes.
So आपसे जो मैं पूछना चाहूँगी that one word mantra during your tough times.
That yes, I can do it, and if there is a way, there is always a way. There is a will, there is always a way.
Yeah, nice. Okay. So advice to your past self before starting your preparation.
That you were a little silly, but yes, you can do it.
Oh, nice. Okay. So the go-to stress buster for you, I mean gaming, movies, sleep, music,
Novels,
novels. So you're a fan of novels.
romance
You like
novel.
reading? Oh,
Yes,
wow.
ma'am.
Nice. Okay, so celebrity you'd want as your study buddy.
Rohit Saraf. He's so hot.
The recent crush.
Yes.
Okay. So one thing you won't miss about preparation days.
I'm I won't miss. There is nothing that I won't miss. I will miss each and everything from being in class, from being in library, spending time with my friends, talking to mentors, the Saturday activities, everything, ma'am.
Oh,
There is
nice.
nothing I won't miss.
Wow. So you being an elder sister to your elder child to your family, so parents comparing you to others. I mean, was it annoying or motivating?
I would say that my parents never compared me to others. The live example would be my younger sister. She is working and I am not working. So they never pressurized me. They never compared me. In fact, they always motivated me that I can do.
Oh, nice. Okay. Check the admit card 10 times or forgot it once.
Nothing. I took the printout and I go. I never check and I never forget.
So while going to exam only, you take the printouts.
One day prior.
One day prior. Okay, okay. Have you carried any lucky charm? I mean, pen, ring, shirt, anything?
No, nothing like that.
Nothing. No superstitions.
No.
Okay. So first thing you did after walking out of the exam hall.
I call my parents that I have done the exam and just
Initial days while you were preparing. So what was mock test for you? I mean, you loved them or you hated them, dreaded them?
I didn't love them. 1 hour mock test was like 6 time pause and resume.
All right. And then later.
Later I used to give 2 to 3 mock tests in a day.
Wow. So this was the change
Yeah.
which aspirants need to know. So most overrated study tip you have heard?
The same that you have to study for 12 to 14 hours. It's not like the duration you have to study, it's like the focus and the productive hours. So if you are giving 2 hours, it should be very productive, no distractions, nothing. Not that you are giving 6 hours and you're scrolling your phone 1 hour.
Okay. As we can see that you are a fan of novels. Highlighters or sticky notes?
Sticky notes.
Sticky notes. And biggest distraction during preparation?
Nothing distracted me. Sometime it was a low phase, like my friends, some are in foreign countries, some are doing well, some are in hospitals as I was a science student, some are good professors in high universities. So sometimes there are low phase, but nothing as such distractions.
No distractions. Okay. Your favorite cousin, if you would like to mention?
No, my cousins are good. There is nothing that there is any favorite. Everyone is good.
Everyone is good. And one best friend you would like to mention?
I have best friends everywhere. In class, I have some with whom I stay always. At my society, I have one. In school, I have one. In college, I have one. So
Wow.
I have friends. I don't have best friends.
Any gratitude for these friends, these best friends?
I always have gratitudes in my life. Best friends in class, I have very much gratitude for one of my friends, Shrishti. She makes delicious foods and bring in lunch.
Okay, and now what is she doing?
She is also preparing. She has cleared one of the exams and she is very bright and very motivating for me.
Yeah, but she's working. She's working in
Yeah.
LIC HFL.
Yes,
She's
ma'am.
working as junior assistant in LIC HFL, and she is also a student of IIKD, a proud achiever of IIKD. All right, 3 most important persons of IIKD whom you are going to miss a lot.
Ma'am, you can't ask me. I will miss everyone.
All right, name any 3 of them.
I'll only take one name. That is our director, Shyam Rawal sir.
Okay, nice. And 3 important friends from your batch, DSP batch, whom you are going to miss a lot.
I'll miss everyone, ma'am.
Any 3 names?
I can't take 3. I have 6 or 7.
6 or 7. Let's hear it.
Shrishti,
Yeah.
Komal, Neha, Dalton, Ronit, Shubham, the DSP Pro batch, whole batch.
DSP whole pro batch. Wow, nice, amazing. All right, your favorite meal?
Dal rice curd.
Normal, basic.
Yeah.
What is your hobby? I mean, reading novels only?
No, I like teaching and
teaching.
I also like drawing sometimes.
All right. And teaching was never a career option for you?
I have started teaching from my 11th standard from the year 2016, as I thought that it will be a basic pocket money for me, but then I gained interest in it. I really like to explain people things easily. So, but I have never seen as a career option for me because teaching was something that was a short term thing, and career is something which I want as a long term goal. And I have also been a bright student in college. I have took part in many allocation and debate competitions. So speech was something giving knowledge and distributing it. I always liked it. So I took teaching as a
Wow.
part-time job.
All right, Paridhi, any fun incident which you faced during your preparation time या फिर exam देते वक्त?
Um, Nothing funny.
Nothing funny. उस वक्त ही ऐसा होता है कुछ funny लगता नहीं है ना?
Sometimes it's annoying but never funny. The annoying one was during my mains, one of my mains, IBPS PO mains, the AC was not working and 3-hour paper and I was sweating and I was doing puzzles and sitting. So it was annoying, not funny.
It was annoying. Okay, what is IDBI?
IDBI is an industrial development bank which helps small industries and small scale SMEs to develop.
And what, as a JAM, junior assistant manager, what would be your role in IDBI?
As if I have not joined yet, as per as my knowledge, the role of the JAM would be helping the manager and doing the daily task, helping the customers and the paperwork.
What are pay scale currently? What are they paying?
Approximately 55,000 to 60,000.
55 to 60,000. Nice. Okay. So IDBI is the only settling point for you right now, or you are not yet satisfied with it?
No, ma'am, I am not satisfied with it because as we know that IDBI is not government. It is still it is semi-governed because majority of the stake is of LIC. But government is now planning to sell it also. Government is planning to sell 60% of IDBI share, which include 30% of IDBI government and 30% of LIC. So I am never settled. I will never settle for IDBI. I will give more exams.
You are going to get more exams. Okay, nice. All right. So, what is your go-to snack during study marathon? Snack. Favorite?
Biscuits. Nothing.
Nothing. Are you health conscious?
No.
So, okay. And which fictional character from movies or maybe books would you ace this exam?
Nothing. I don't compare two different things.
Two different things. So, Rohit.
Rohit Saraf is something like I have a huge crush in this time over here.
Okay, nice. So, if your exam preparation was a song or movie title, what would it be?
कभी खुशी कभी गम.
ये इसलिए बोल रहे हैं because as she mentioned that she started her preparation but बीच में ही
नहीं, it's like when you clear your prelims you are very happy but then you start preparing for mains and when you don't clear your mains it's gum face.
Yeah.
So like that.
Yeah, but जो बीच में आपने 4 months का job किया that you mentioned that you worked at the bank, so was that a learning point for you?
Yeah, it was because I learned that private sector is not for me. And now that was the point then where I decided that I have to do government job.
Yeah.
So it was a turning phase.
Okay. So, Acha, what is the pattern of IDBI exam?
There is only one exam. There are 2 IDBI JAM exams in a single year. The one is IDBI JAM directly and the second one is through a PG mode. They offer you a PG program but the recruitment process is the same. They took a single exam which include quants, English, reasoning and GA at the same time and then they select you as per your merits and the cutoffs. And then there is a panel interview and then cumulative marks are considered for your merits and if you secure the general cutoff you get cleared and then medical for IDBI JAM and for PG program then if you get cleared you have to do a 6-month PG program and 2-month internship and matlab in inside internship and then you get the job.
Okay, so how was your interview preparation? I mean, how did you go with it?
Interview was good. I was having, I had took 3 to 4 interview rounds in the class itself, and many questions were repeated.
Yeah.
So we get a knowledge that कि वहाँ जाके क्या होने वाला है, and when the questions repeat, you have a different kind of confidence कि yes I can answer it well. So
Yeah.
interview was good.
Around बहुत minutely we analyzed IDBI JAM's interview questions, and we got a success story that 80% of the questions were
Yeah.
almost similar for you, right? So अगर आपने ये चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर दिस विद all of your friends, relatives, family, and स्पेशली उनके साथ इसको शेयर करना मत भूलना जो अपने ड्रीम्स हाई रखते हैं, जिनके लिए ये एक सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन बन सकता है. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.